Hi, it's Jessica again, and we're here at VMworld 2009 in Cannes. I'm standing here at the EMC booth with Chad Sakac. Hi, Chad.
How you doing, Jessica?
I'm fine. How are you?
You know, tired after a couple of long days, but excited. It's fantastic to be here.
So what are you showing here at VMworld at the booth of EMC?
The list is pretty long. Are you sure you want to hear the whole list? You know, we basically have made a bunch of very big announcements this week. Starting on Tuesday, we released this new platform, the next generation of our Solera unified storage platform, with production dedupe capabilities, but also some just fantastic virtual center plugins that allow you to completely automate things like Site Recovery Manager failback, which is unique. Be able to have a single unified view for storage, EMC storage inside the VMware context, as well as a virtual center plugin for using VMware View along with the storage infrastructure for even higher efficiencies. That was day one. Day two, we announced a new class of storage for VMware environments, and you know we're known for this sort of stuff. You know, big arrays, and you know there's all of these ones here. Up in the hands-on labs, there's a whole slew more supporting the hands-on labs. But basically, we announced this sort of thing. So a new class of storage infrastructure that this unit's got 2 terabytes and costs $250, and it's actually officially on the VMware HCL. So for customers with small remote offices or people who want to start to learn and play with VMware, it's a neat new technology. That was, I think, Tuesday. It's all blurry now, right? But as a follow-up, we basically announced some new integrated solutions. So basically integrating all of the layers of the infrastructure around Paul's vision of the virtual data center, basically the server layer, the storage layer, the networking layer, and we're doing it in partnership with Cisco. That's a strong element of what we're doing here is demonstrating that, and that integrated infrastructure allows customers to basically get up and running with VMware environments of any scale, much more quickly, about 60% faster, simple, easy, turnkey. And then, as a follow-on, and kind of one of the, last things in this week of announcements for us, and it's not a coincidence after all that, going through that stuff, but basically the announcement today was that more than 50%, just around 50% of customers are using EMC infrastructure with VMware. The next closest is roughly about half that. And that's a result of all the work that we've been doing and all the stuff that we're showing here. A whole bunch of other cool stuff at the booth. Unique stuff for vSphere, which has been publicly announced. PowerPath direct integration. That means customers will get 3 times better performance, 4 times more availability, and they get it just by virtue of going to vSphere and the integration work that we've done, which has been deep. It's embedded right in the VM kernel.
So Chad, did you get a chance to follow any of the sessions?
Yeah, we've been going to the keynotes were fantastic. I've seen Paul do it before, but he did a great job. The vision that he's describing of this private cloud, right? That the virtual data center OS is one of the core elements of that, and obviously the vCloud initiative. I mean, we're investing heavy engineering resources because that is something that we think our customers want to do. They're doing it today, and we want to help accelerate that. And Steve Herod's keynote was absolutely top notch. Between the 7 breakouts that we were doing, there was time also to see some really great ones on what's coming around VMware View long term.
That sounds very nice. And what do you do for fun to keep up here in Cannes?
Basically, it's been one night after another meeting with customers. The party, there was an EMC party last night. I'm looking forward to the VMware party tonight. It's a great place. Cannes is a beautiful place. And when I'm here in France, j'aime que je peux parler en français et pratiquer comme je veux.
That sounds very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Chad.
Thank you.